Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is CID News Network, Islamabad. The news read by Zainab. Chairing a meeting of National Coordination Committee on SMEs in Islamabad today. Prime Minister says promotion of SMEs will strengthen economy and create job opportunities. Pakistan and United Arab Emirates have agreed to enhance cooperation in the agriculture sector. Egyptian ambassador expressed keen interest in Pakistan's coastal development as well as expanding trade ties in between the two countries. Special Assistant to the Prime Minister says on petroleum that construction work 1100 km Pakistan Stream gas pipeline project will begin next year. In India, illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the APAC said that India is hell-bent on turning the Muslims majority Kashmir into minority area by settling non-Kashmiris in the territory. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi met his United Arab Emirates counterpart Sheikh Abdullah bin Zayed late in Abu Dhabi. Surging spot prices for liquefied natural gas are exacerbating a gas supply crunch in key fast-growing emerging markets in Asia, just as a cold spell in the other parts of the region boosts demand for the fuel. While over 5,000 cases and 176 deaths were reported due to COVID-19 in 2 days, the highest positivity ratio was observed from Karachi, followed by Peshawar and Mirpur. The Civil Aviation Authority has granted permission to private airline Serene Air to operate flights to Saudi Arabia and UAE. Pakistan has lost his first T20 match from New Zealand. Take care and keep watching CID News Network, Islamabad. Please like, share and comment and also subscribe. Allah Hafiz.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.